Hey folks, hello everyone. I Kedar Joshi welcome you all to this data analytics overview session. We as a Ramasser group currently providing online training and consultation about the latest technologies in IT, business and etc. Data analytics or data analysis, what we can say is one of them, and same will be conducted by me as a data analytics consultant. So let me first introduce myself to you all. My name is Kedar Joshi. I am data science, data analytics, machine learning enthusiast and analytics professional by nature. After completing my bachelor's from computer science, I went through several technologies transmissions, worked on Android application development, then Internet of Things kind of projects, then software development, and now working with analytics. Currently, I am working as a data analytics consultant at Ramasser Group. After getting a couple of years of experience, I can surely tell you that the next big thing in all the industries is analytics. In today's world, analytics, machine learning, AI, these are some buzzwords or hot words we can say. As analytics markets is just growing like anything because it does not have domain boundaries. You take any industry, analytics can be applied very effectively to solve particular business problem. Nowadays, every industry, every domain, for example, finance, healthcare, information technology, education, tourism, etc. All these are cope up with the latest trends and technologies like analytics and machine learning. A lot of new news articles have been telling us that there are a lot of job opportunities are available in the analytics. So why not to grab such opportunities? We'll just make it this dream come true. So in today's session, we'll be overviewing the data analytics, why is the analytics, and how one learner can make a great career in data analytics. Further, we'll discuss about the tools and skill sets which tools and skill sets are required to get into the analytics industry. We'll be discussing about the Ramasser Group's data analysis course with the course structure, syllabus and everything. So why to waste much of the time? Let's get started. So when we come across data analytics term, first and foremost thing is to get what is data actually. So what is data? When we come across the term data analytics, we need to know what is data first. As we all know since from the school days, data is a collection of information. But one step further, we can elaborate like in computing, data is information that has been translated into a form that is efficient for movement or processing. Data can exist in variety of forms as numbers or text on pieces of paper, as bits and bytes stored in electronic memory, or as facts stored in person's mind. So this is all about data. Data is very good, but analytics makes it great. Then what is analytics? Analytics term is very vast in nature. It has multidimensional views actually. So analytics is the discovery, interpretation and communication of meaningful patterns in data and applying those patterns toward effective decision making. Analytics is an encompassing and multidimensional field that uses mathematics, statistics, predictive modeling, machine learning techniques to find meaningful patterns and business insights from recorded data. When we combine data and analytics, we'll get data analytics. So what is data analytics actually? Data analytics is the process of inspecting, cleansing, transforming and modeling data. Data analytics refers to qualitative and quantitative techniques and processes used to enhance productivity and business gain. So in the data analytics, there are a lot of techniques and steps are involved, which consist of like cleaning of data pre-processing, data visualization, again model building, and few more steps. Then why we need to do this data analytics and why to get this data analytics? Data in the 21st century is what oil was in 18th century. Yes, you heard it right. The next big thing in the digital universe is data analytics. This massively unexploited and untapped valuable asset is giving rise to a new economy. Nowadays, data analytics is a buzzword in the market. Every company, like you take any company like MNCs or MLCs, you take startups as well. They are looking for data analytics kind of things. They are working on machine learning algorithms. They are going for data science, big data, such kind of new technologies and latest trends. Because they are very popular in market, they are very reliable source, and they are very interesting one. Then why to jump into the analytics? Why we need to do this? Okay, so it's highly interesting and not traditional one. It's not at all traditional methods what we have taught since our school and colleges, and it's highly interesting. It's versatile in nature. Versatile in nature in the sense there are no domain boundaries for the data analytics. Take any industry like automobile, healthcare, finance. In all these industries, data analysis can be applied. Third and the most important thing is analytics market is at top. Since the Forbes magazine also said that analytics is grooming market nowadays, so analytics is a top market. These are some things from which we should jump into data analytics. Then better targeting audience. Better targeting audience is like we have a lot of opportunities in all the sectors of industry, like all the domains. Biggest job opportunities. Jobs are very important. Once we have jobs, we have skill sets, our life get easier. Helps in better decision making. It's for all the industries. Data analytics gives you reliable solutions, which helps in better decision making and very fast decision making. And last and very important thing is highly paid jobs. The salaries of data analyst or business analyst or data scientist are more than traditional software engineers. Then which key skills and tools are required to kickstart your career in data analytics or data analyst? So first and foremost thing is basic idea of data. What is the data? What are the structures of data? Different kind of structures. Then pure business sense with domain knowledge. In whichever industry you apply, you should have a domain knowledge of that industry and pure business sense. The third thing is communication and storytelling things. Data analyst should have very good communication skills and storytelling skills. Storytelling skills in the sense visualization skills. Then data analyst should have tools like MS Excel, Tableau, Power BI, SQL, Python, R, machine learning, etc. These are some tools which are required. So we can say Tableau and Power BI both are like same one. The person who is good at Tableau should not like required to do Power BI. One is sufficient to get into the industry. Again, same like Python and R. Both are the programming languages. If one student is good at Python, no need to go through R actually. So one is sufficient to get into the industry. Again, we'll be discussing further on this. Then why we or Ramasser Group Data Analyst course? Okay, so we at Ramasser Group, we know what are the requirements of industry and what skills are required to get into the industry. So our syllabus is designed by industry experts. That is the first and foremost thing. Then again, hands-on live training by industry experts. Then we'll conduct capstone projects and case studies. We'll give you some assignments as well. We'll take a quizzes. Then resume building and interview preparation. We'll make interview preparation also. Then last and important thing is placement assistant. So these are the reasons why you should apply for this data analysis course of Ramasser Group. Then the very important thing is what and how you grow at Ramasser Group's data analysis course. Course provides best way to learn or to get all the necessary skills and required tools to get into the analytics industry. So what is the syllabus and what you will learn here? First is the introduction session, which will be conducted on first day. The session contains understand the student goals and how the course helps to achieve the objectives, training overview, then different terms like data analytics, data science, big data, then data analyst job opportunities in the industry, and which skills are required. Then again, second day, we'll do data analytics introduction. What is analytics, different goals of analytics in terms of business perspective, then analytics lifecycle, types of analytics and area of analytics with example and use cases, structured data and unstructured data in detail, data understanding, data preparation, data cleaning, data modeling, and then different analytics tools like Python, R, MS Excel, Tableau. We'll see in overview of all these analytic tools. Then we'll take some question and answer session and quizzes. Then again, at the day 3, one day session, data models, different data and data analysis, data science, the difference between this data analytics and data science, then what is data model, different types of data models, then advantages and disadvantages of that, then coming through OLAP and OLTP and difference between them, then introduction to statistics, categories and terms, and question answer. So this is also an important session. So we'll be having session on SQL for 2 days. We'll see complete SQL for 2 days, which is very important one, in which we'll discuss about introduction to RDBMS, the relational database management system, and SQL structured query languages. Then different types of database and installation of MySQL database. For demo purpose, we'll give us demo. Then we'll do create, insert, update, delete queries, and we'll do hands-on sessions on this also. So this SQL is very important in the data analytics. So we'll do this thoroughly. Then we'll have SQL functions, subqueries, and joins. Joins are very important in SQL, so we'll do that, and we'll take hands-on session on that also. After that, we'll do how to analyze the data using SQL. So data analysis using SQL we'll give some assignments and quizzes. We'll do one project as well, and we'll explain some business problems on SQL. So SQL we'll do thoroughly for 2 days. After that, this is the important one, which is Python. So Python is a very popular language nowadays in the industry. All companies and all the corporate sectors are working on Python. So we'll introduce Python, and we'll do comparison with R. What is R and what is Python, and how these are different languages, and what are the good and bad things in those languages, what are the differences. We'll see all those things. After that, we'll install Python in Windows and Jupyter editor to run Python programs. So we can use the Jupyter or we can use a Google Colab, whichever we prefer. Both are similar interfaces, so we can use Jupyter or Google Colab also. So after that, fundamentals of programming and hands-on labs. So we'll just do programming fundamentals. By the way, we will be discussing this Python for 6 days, so it's a long journey, and we'll do this thoroughly because Python is very important in this data analytics market. So we'll do fundamentals of programming, then we'll do assignments on fundamental programming, data analysis and data visualization. So here we are going to do data visualization as well. So again, we'll be conducting question and answer session and quiz. After that, we'll start the machine learning and algorithms. So we are going to have a machine learning algorithm sessions. So introduction to mathematical and statistical models to find patterns and solutions in the data. Then again, we'll be doing data acquisition, data wrangling, data exploration, data visualization using different Python libraries. So we have Python libraries like SciPy, Scikit-learn, NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib. So we'll discuss all these libraries while we learn Python and machine learning. So after that, we'll take question answer session and quiz also, and we'll take one real-time project with solution and project to submit. So learner has to submit that project and we'll be evaluating that project. Okay, so the last and very important thing is data visualization with Tableau, and it will run for 7 days. Okay, so in this we'll discuss about what is the data visualization and introduction to Tableau. So Tableau is the software which is very popular in the industry, and which is a very great software developed by Tableau. So we'll use this software for data visualization purpose. So compare Tableau with other visualization tools and its importance. So comparison in the sense, Tableau, we can compare Tableau with Power BI. So Power BI is provided by one other company, and which is also similar, but Tableau is a very important and very popular in market compared to Power BI. So we'll discuss Tableau thoroughly for 7 days. After that, installation of Tableau and introduction to Tableau interface. So we'll install Tableau software and we'll take that thoroughly. So after that, data connection, organizing and simplifying data, quiz and best practices. Then hands-on lab will take data blending, data filtering, calculation fields. So creating charts in Tableau, hands-on lab joins on extract data, using maps in Tableau, hands-on creating charts, scatter plots, motion charts, using analytics to analyze data. So hands-on clustering, reference line, trend line, forecasting. So we'll create some dashboards in Tableau. We'll see how we can create very interactive dashboards in Tableau. So we'll again see hands-on on parameters, building dashboards, on dashboard actions, and we'll again do one project on this data visualization using Tableau. So Tableau is a software which is very important, and we'll do this thoroughly. So this is all about the syllabus, and I hope you cleared with this all. So thank you for watching this. So guys, this is all I wanted to discuss with you, and please go through the Ramasser Group's website. I'll show you how you can apply for this course online. So just go to this ramassergroup.com website, then go to view courses, take data analysis course, go to data analysis. Once you go to data analysis, you will get this data analysis course. So next class is going to start on April 22nd, and from April 22nd to June 3rd of June actually, and the classes will be on Monday, Wednesday, Friday 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. EST timing. So it's a EST timing. So just go through and enroll for this course. You can view the class schedule as well, download class schedule and see how is your availability for this particular time. Just enroll for the same actually. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video and you had a great time. Thanks a lot for watching the video. For any queries and consultation, please reach out to us at www.ramassergroup.com, or just drop an email at this ramasser.consulting@ramassergroup.com. Okay, have a great day guys. Thanks a lot.